Article 1180. When the debtor binds himself to pay when his means permit him to do so, the obligation shall be deemed to be one with a period, subject to the provisions of Article 1197. Ang sabi ng batas, kapag sinabihan ka ng debtor na, I will pay you when my means permit me to do so, or in Tagalog, magbabayad ako kapag nagkapera ako, yung obligation is obligation with a period. Period is a future and certain event upon the arrival, the obligation subject to it either arises or is extinguished. Future, sa hinaharap. Certain, mangyayari talaga. Yung example kanina, hindi siya conditional obligation. Obligation with a period siya kasi certain na mangyayari talaga. Diba ang tao naman talaga magkakapera? Yung ang namamali mo sa kalsada kapag ibinukas ang palad at nanghingi nagkakapera. Pero ang hirap naman kapag sinabihan kang babayaran kita kapag nagkapera na ako. Dito ngayon papasok ang Article 1197. Kapag hindi kayo magkasundo, pupunta kayo sa court and yung court ang mag-fix kung kailan dapat bayaran yung utang. At kapag na-fix na ng court, yung date hindi na pwedeng baguhin yon. Other cases as when the debtor binds himself to pay. Kapag sinabi niyang little by little, as soon as possible, from time to time, at any time I have the money, in partial payments, or when I am in a position to pay.